Hey guys, welcome to another HTML video, and today I'll be doing the hands-on which I promised in the last class. So now let's open the text editor on your desktop, and when you open it you see a blank page, and this is the blank page where we have to type the code. So now let's get started. The first code will be the doctype tag. As said in the previous video, the doctype tag is an important part of your HTML uh, document. It is because that it informs your web browser about the version of HTML we are using, and currently we are using HTML5. Then we go on to the HTML tag. So this is also a very important tag because it also it acts as a container tag for all the uh, other tags which you put. So then uh, another info on this, except the doctype HTML tag which we typed, the other tags which we are going to type today are known as container elements. They are known as this because they have the starting tag and the ending tag, and there are some uh, tags with only the starting tag, like the bold tag. So it only has one tag, the starting tag. So tags like these are known as empty elements, so remember that. And for container tags, it is very important that you first put the starting tag and immediately put the ending tag, so please do remember that. So the next we move on to the head tag. The head tag and it contains the elements like title tag. So it is and we will go to the title tag now. So title tag is also very important because it gives the title to your web page, which is the because your title is very important to the web page, or the uh, web page will get confused. So for now I'm just gonna put my title as first HTML. And now let's move on to the body tag. The body tag is an important tag because it contains the tags like paragraph, bold, tables, etc., and it makes the content of your web page. So now let's type body tag. Body. And this is also, again as I said, an container element because it has both the tags. Now we type, I'm just gonna type that my first HTML, I am excited. So now we come to the saving part. You can either press Ctrl S or go over to the file option here. So in the file option you just have to click as save as, then the uh, folder opens in which you have to save. Sometimes a different folder will open, but that's okay. You just have to navigate your way through. Now then, let's just give a name to our document. I'm just gonna give first HTML. Then just give the extension as .html, and please don't forget this, you have to give this extension because or else your web browser won't consider this as an HTML document. Then click on save. Now let's open file explorer where we have saved it. Then we just have to left click on the document, then click on open with, then click on Google Chrome, and there is your HTML page. So I'll get to you with more info on HTML in the next video. Thanks guys.